completely wonderful. It's mine.
Happy birthday.
Well, I never dreamed it. It's such a surprise. Oh, how can I ever... Oh, thank you so much.
Now remember, when you're presented to His Highness, be sure...
Wait! Please, wait for me. Isn't it lovely? Do you like it? Do you think it will do?
Cinderella, Mother, she can't. No, you just can't.
Girls, please. After all, we did make a bargain. Didn't we, Cinderella? And I never go back on my word. How very clever. These beads, they give it just the right touch. Don't you think so, Drizella?
No, I don't. I think she's... Why, you little thief! They're my beads. Give them here.
Oh, no!
Oh, and look, that's my sack. My sack, she can't.
Oh, no, please stop.
This is mine. And my ribbon. These. Take kitchen ribbon. Oh, you ungrateful.
Girls. That's quite enough. Hurry along now, both of you. I won't have you upsetting yourselves. Good night.